Hi, it's Neil. Welcome to my family room, and today I have some iPhone chargers, something I always seem to run out of, or my kids steal, or I rip them out in the car and something happens or whatever. So let's check out this package and see what it is. Excuse me. It just says iPhone charger. Is there a brand? I'm not sure of the brand, but I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. But it looks like it comes with 3 wires, and they are about, I think they're 6 feet ones. Let me check. I'll tell you in a second. I'm about 6 feet tall, about slightly less, but it's the kind of the ropey ones. But yeah, it's probably 5 feet, so it's probably a 5-foot wire. But so you can see it, it's got the rope on it, and I don't know if these are, I don't know if it's 3 different colors or if it's 2 different colors, or to me, this one and this one look the same color. I don't know if they're not, but you guys can see, but it comes with it's a 3-pack of them. They're all the same length, but, I'm gonna try it and plug it in and see if it charges. So we'll plug it into this battery pack I've got here, and I'm gonna plug it into the phone that we're using. We'll see if it does anything here. And it does, it vibrated. So it does work. So there we go. So we have it working. So these are some iPhone cables that seem to work, and they are pretty inexpensive. They're getting cheaper and cheaper, I guess. And they're USB to Lightning. So it won't work with an Android or, with some of those other things, or the USB-C, like on my iPad and stuff. The only thing I have anymore that takes this one is my iPhone 12. So that's it. And that's what I'm using to film this. But it seems to work for me, so these are good. So thumbs up, thanks for watching, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Okay, bye.